Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel PSC Confidence Booster. In this video, we will discuss 30 important multiple choice questions related to DC generator. So, let me start.
Question number 1. In a DC generator, the brushes on the commutator are shifted from geometrical neutral positions to. Answer is option B. Avoid sparking. Question number 2. Resistance when connected in series with field of shunt generator. Answer is option C. Decreases its EMF. Question number 3. Equalizing connections are required when paralleling to. Answer is option C. Compound generators. Question number 4. In DC machines, the armature windings are placed on the rotor because of the necessity for. Answer is option C. Commutation. Question number 5. A DC generator works on the principle of. Answer is option C. Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction. Question number 6. In DC generators, the polarity of the interpoles. Answer is the same as that of the main pole ahead. Question number 7. Pole shoe of a DC machine is laminated for the purpose of. Answer is option B. Decreasing eddy current loss. Question number 8. The field structure of a DC machine uses. Answer is option A. Salient pole arrangement. Question number 9. Small DC machines generally have dash poles. Answer is option C. 2.
Question number 10. An ideal DC generator is one that has dash voltage regulation. Answer is option B. 0. Question number 11. Shunt generators are most suited for stable parallel operations because of their dash voltage characteristics. Answer is option B. Drooping. Question number 12. The EMF of a DC generator depends on. Answer is option C. Speed. Question number 30. The terminal voltage of a DC shunt generator on loading because of all of the following reasons except. Answer is option D. Question number 40. A DC generator can be considered as. Answer is option C. Rotating amplifier. Question number 15. The series field of a short shunt DC generator is excited by. Answer is option D. Local current. Question number 60. In DC generators, the residual magnetism is of the order of? Answer is option A, 2.5%. Question number 70. Dash DC machines are most common. Answer is option B, 4 pole. Question number 80. Equalizer rings are employed in dash wound DC machines. Answer is option B, lap. Question number 90. The polarity of a DC generator is reversed by reversing the direction of. Answer is option C, field current. Question number 20. In DC generators, current to the external circuit from armature is given through. Answer is option A, commutator. Question number 21. Armature reaction of an unsaturated DC machine is. Answer is option A, cross magnetizing. Question number 22. The commutator pitch for a simplex lap winding is equal to. Answer is option C, 1. Question number 23. The real working part of a DC machine is the dash. Answer is option C, armature winding. Question number 24. The series field of a short shunt DC generator is excited by. Answer is option C, load. Question number 25. The armature of a DC machine is made of. Answer is option A, silicon steel. Question number 26. In the armature windings of a DC generator, an EMF is induced when the armature rotates in. Answer is option C, magnetic field. Question number 27. Flashing in the field of DC generator means. Answer is option B, creating residual magnetism by a DC source. Question number 28. An ideal DC generator has a regulation of. Answer is option D, 0. Question number 29. The armature winding of a DC machine is dash winding. Answer is option B, a closed circuit. Question number 30. A lap winding, the number of brushes required is equal to. Answer is option A, number of poles.